This Mediterranean superfood power bowl is fresh, colorful, and packed with protein. We're using quinoa, chickpeas, crisp vegetables, creamy avocado, olives, feta, and a simple lemon dressing. Cook 1 cup of quinoa until fluffy, then let it cool. And it's ready. Dice the cucumber and avocado, halve the tomatoes, slice the onion, and chop some fresh parsley. Dice together lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper. This simple lemon dressing is perfect for salads or marinades. Just whisk until it's smooth and emulsified. Whisk together the bowl, then layer chickpeas, vegetables, olives, avocado, and feta. Pour the dressing over the top for a bright Mediterranean flavor. Toss lightly and serve immediately. It's fresh, satisfying, and perfect for a healthy lunch or meal prep.